Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the progressive elaboration and the role-based planning, which is the part of introduction of our project management. In this topic, we are talking about that what is the role-based planning is, developing in steps and continuing by incrementing to work out the details. Early in the project scope will be more broadly defined and the project scope will become more explicit and detailed as the PM team develops a better and more complete understanding of the project and deliverables. Both project specification and the product specification may be progressively elaborated. So the whole concept revolves around the subject of progressive elaboration. What does this mean in project? It says that at the initial phases, the project scope is very little known and not much clear. So, by step developing the idea, we get moving. Once we reach to the final stages, the scope of the project is more clear and detailed for the team as well as the project manager. So projects are always progressive elaboration. Remember it. Let's jump on to the how the project, program, and the portfolio are related, or what is the basically they are meant. The program is defined as a group of related projects managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits and control not available from managing them individually. It's a cluster of projects which is defined as a program and should be in a coordinated method. The program management, the centralized coordinated management of a program to achieve the program's strategic objective and the benefits. Portfolio. A portfolio refers to a collection of projects or programs and other work that are grouped together to facilitate effective management of that work to complete the strategic business objective. The portfolio management. It refers to centralized management of one or more portfolios, which includes identifying, prioritizing, authorizing, managing, and controlling projects, programs, and other related work to achieve the specific business objective. When we talk about the program, projects, and the portfolio, all these three terms will keep coming on in your preparation, and you need to differentiate what is program, what is portfolio, what is project. Mathematically, if you remember, we had a concept of subset and a superset. So to understand the relationship between the program, portfolio, and the project, we will use that concept. Let's look into the diagram how these are related. At the top, we have a high level portfolio which is managed across the organization. Then you have a lower level portfolios which are coming down to higher level programs. And then further down the line you have a lower level program, and at the end you have a projects. So to understand that relationship, every program will consist of can or one or more projects. Similarly, one portfolio will consist of one or more programs. Individually, portfolio can have multiple projects as well as multiple programs running. So, to further understand this concept, we need to understand that at each step or the logical definition of the work, how these names are different. To understand that, what does this mean for scope for a project and program and portfolio? Projects have a defined objective and scope is progressively elaborated throughout the project lifecycle. Programs have a larger scope and provide more significant benefits. Portfolio have a business scope that changes with the strategic goals of the organization. Changes. The project manager expects changes and implement process to keep the change managed and controlled. In the program, you have program manager must expect the changes from both inside and outside the program and will be prepared to manage it. Portfolio managers continue monitoring the change in the broad environment. From the planning perspective, the project managers in project progressively elaborate high-level information into detailed plan throughout the project. The program manager develops the overall program plan and create high-level plan to guide the detailed planning at the component level. Portfolio manager creates and maintains necessary processes, communication related to the aggregate portfolio. From management perspective, for the project manager manages the project team to meet the project objective. Program manager manages the program staff and the project managers. They provide vision and overall leadership for a program. Portfolio managers may manage or coordinate portfolio management staff. From success point of view, success is measured by the product and project quality, timeliness, budget, compliance, and degree of customer satisfaction. Success for a program is measured by the degree to which the program satisfies the need and the benefit of for which it was undertaken. Success is measured in terms of aggregate performance of portfolio components. From monitoring perspective, project manager monitor and control the work of producing and product, service or result that project was undertaken to produce. Program manager monitors the progress of program component to ensure the overall goal, schedule, budget, and the benefit of the program will be met. Portfolio manager monitors aggregate performance and the value of the indicators. So to conclude this relationship subject of the project, program, and portfolio, we need to always look from the subset perspective that at a higher level, the portfolio is managed, which in turn manages multiple programs and the cluster of the project. And at the bottom of it is a finite project which gives a unique result. Let's join into the next session.